Good morning.
Good morning.
How are we doing this morning?
Pretty good. I slept well last night. Having good.
Where are we at?
Oh, we have some, what are these called, Cheerios for breakfast. Very good. I'm excited to go out and work this morning. I think we're going to have a good day building our ramp.
Sweet.
When we got there, we made sure everything was level. Then we did decking and finished the stringers. We made sure we had everything lined up. After lunch break, we attached the stringers to the posts. Then we had to leave before it was about to rain, and so we had to pack everything up and put it in the van.
All right. We feel like we're in a good place for tomorrow.
I feel like we could probably finish it really easily tomorrow. We just have to do the handrails and finish the steps.
All right. Give me a dab. Oh yeah. Give me an update. How was your day?
It was good. We got a lot done on our work site. We finished demo, started building. Yeah.
My day was great. Everybody on my team was so awesome, and they worked so hard. And we have dogs on our site, and that's just you can't ask for anything better than that. Yeah, so it was good.
All right, give me a dab. Give me something.
We just finished decking. We did pretty good.
We're laying in the, what is that? I don't know, walkway? Yeah, it's going pretty good. We just bedazzled our helmets. Hey. And they're currently doing the last two.
Hi, I'm Phoebe.
Tell me something good that happened today.
Okay. Well, it was gonna rain, so we finished a little bit early, and we went all the way to Igloo, and a really ice cream place just shaped like an igloo, and it was really fun, and that was a good thing that happened today.
Thank you.